Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and crypto transfers. Today, we're diving into how to send USDT from Gemini in 2025. If you're holding USDT on Gemini and want to move it to another wallet or exchange, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with Gemini's updated interface and enhanced security features for 2025, making it faster and safer than ever. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Gemini account. If you haven't already, head to the Gemini website or app and enter your credentials. Remember, always use two-factor authentication. It's a game changer for protecting your assets in today's digital world. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies, including USDT. Click on USDT to select it. Now, look for the Send or Withdraw button. It's usually right there on the main dashboard for quick access. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this carefully. In 2025, Gemini might even have a new verification tool to scan for errors and ensure compatibility. Type in the amount of USDT you want to send, and don't forget to review any transaction fees. Gemini's fees are typically low, but they can vary based on network congestion. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to review everything. You'll see a summary of the transaction, including the destination address, amount, and estimated arrival time. If all looks good, go ahead and confirm. Gemini will process the transfer, and with the 2025 upgrades, it should hit the recipient's wallet in minutes. One last thing. Always keep an eye on your transaction status in the Gemini app or on the Blockchain Explorer. If you're new to this, consider starting with a small amount to test the waters. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. Word count: 348.